Hi, I'm Dew, and today I'll be showing you Sets and Reps, a browser-based workout tracker I'll be demoing on both web and mobile. So let's get started. First, I'll create an account. So I'll click this here and enter my credentials. And now we're in. As indicated in the left panel here, the app on signups directs the user to the current workout page. The first feature I'm going to show you is the Plan-a-Mesocycle feature. Now, you might be wondering, what is a mesocycle? For those that don't know, to give you a very rough definition, what it essentially is a workout program of 4 to 8 weeks. Now, the Plan-a-Mesocycle feature, what it essentially does is exactly what it sounds like. It's a feature to create a mesocycle with. And to do this, we'll go to this Plan-a-Mesocycle button over here, or we could also use this button over here. So I'll do that, and now we're ready. Now, let's say I want to build a mesocycle of 4 weeks in length, and I want to do 4 workouts per week. Each of these represents a day. So I'll add 2 more because I'm doing 4 workouts a week. And I'll do Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And I want to do 2 exercises per workout. So I'm going to expand 2 slots for each. And Monday I'm going to have it be a push day. So bench press followed by a cable tricep push down. And Tuesday I'm going to have it be a quadricep day. So high bar squat followed by seated leg extension. Thursday I'm going to have it be a pull day. So I'm going to go with barbell, bent row, cable, bicep curl. And lastly, I'm going to have this be a second leg day for the hamstrings and the abs. So deadlift and machine crunches. Okay, now ready? So once I'm ready, I can click this Create a Mesocycle button here, which will display this dialog over here. This lets me name my mesocycle. So I'm going to name this October Meso 2025, and again, I'm going to have this be a 4-week mesocycle. So I'm going to select this here and click Create. Great, now it worked. We have a mesocycle and the mesocycle page. Now let's see inside and check if it's really built with the information that we gave the app earlier. When I click the mesocycle, it opens our most current workout. Current workout is the very first workout after the last completed workout. Because this is a new mesocycle, we're in the first workout of the mesocycle. And if you remember, we gave the first workout of the week a bench press and a cable tricep pushdown, which is exactly what we see here. And to switch between workouts, we can click the calendar icon over here. And a drop-down menu gets displayed with all our workouts populated. Each column represents a week, as well as a reps in reserve, or RIR for short. And to those who don't know, RIR is basically how many reps you had left you felt you could do before hitting failure. They help remind you how hard you should go each week. The very last week is a deload, or DL for short, which essentially means you go lighter that week. Next I'll be showing you the workout tracking feature. Let's simulate a workout. I'll fill the fields out to run you through the process. Now we're finished. Great. I can now update the status of this workout by clicking on the Finish Workout button over here. So I'll do that. And now my workout is complete. This is indicated by a green color, which you can find in the heading, as well as in the drop down over here. The green represents the completed workouts, and the red represents the current workout. Next I'll be showing you the exercise history feature. Now let's say you completed the rest of the workouts from the first week, and you've been making progress, and you want to keep progressing. So jump ahead to our following week of the mesocycle. For the sake of the demo, I've filled and marked the other workouts of the previous week as completed. Let's say it's now the following Monday. Okay, so you're now in the gym, ready to make some progress, but you don't remember what weight you used or how many reps you performed in the previous workout for that exercise. This is where the exercise history feature comes in. Each exercise has an information icon at the top right. For the bench press, it's right over here. So I'll click that. And now we instantly have access to our previous performance stats. Each row represents a workout, and the reps performed are displayed sequentially. This is a really useful feature because when you're in the gym, you generally don't want to be swiping on your phone looking for your previous stats. This feature displays stats not only from previous workouts, but also previous mesocycles as well. To show you this, I'll simulate some more workouts and also a few more mesocycles. I've now for the demo created 2 new mesocycles, November and December, both with same workouts with the same number of weeks. I've also filled and marked all workouts in the first 2 mesocycles as completed. So now, let's say it's December and it's day 1 of our 3rd mesocycle. Let's open our exercise history of the first exercise, the bench press. Now as you can see, the exercise history is filled with more data. Each block represents a mesocycle, and each row represents a workout. It all gets listed from most recent workout to the oldest, with the week number of the workout shown on the right end of each row. Now I'll be showing you the additional features. Let's go to the Profile and Settings page. In here you will see some basic information about your account and a set of drop-downs to configure the app with. There are 2 drop-downs. The first is for language switching and the other for the weight autofill feature. To switch languages, you can simply select the language of your choice, and the site will switch languages as needed. I'll keep it in this language for the rest of the demo. Now I'll explain the weight autofill feature. This is another useful feature for when you're in the gym. You might have noticed in the earlier parts of the demo that whenever I typed in a weight in the workout page, the rest of the weights of that exercise were automatically filled in. That's what this is. Let me show you. So note that this feature is on. Now go to the current workout, and I'll type a weight in, say 50. After I finish typing and I click out of the input field, as you can see, the weight for the following sets gets filled with the same weight. This only applies to subsequent sets, so previous sets won't be affected. But let's say you don't like this feature. No problem. Let's go back to the Profile and Settings page. Now I'll set this to off. And let's go back to the current workout, and we'll try 40. And now I've successfully disabled the autofill feature. And that's it. That's sets and reps. Thanks for watching.